How's it? Nick from HOLTS again, and in this week's episode we're going underneath the hood and we're going to look at some of the mechanicals, and in particular for this week's episode we're going to take a look at your carburetor. Now, we all know that people running vehicles that are no longer, or don't have fuel injection, we need to keep those carbs in tip-top order, and in doing so we're going to clean out the linkages, your PCV valves, your jets, even use on inside and outside the carb. And what you can do with this product is you don't actually have to dismantle. The benefits to using a carb cleaner is, first of all, you're not going to get stuck on the side of the road. It might be an idea to carry something like this with you if you're going on a road trip. And also, a clean carburetor means better fuel economy, which, as we know these days, is something that we all need. So, simple application. We're just going to take it with the applicator nozzle that we've got, and you can just apply it directly into the carb. And what we'll also be able to see is how the carburetor cleaner, if you spray it on the outside when you're trying to clean up the outside of the vehicle, just cleans off all that old dirt and grease that's on there. So it's safe for use both inside and outside the carburetor.
Get it on now.